Hi there. Good day to everyone and welcome to the Roy Tech channel. We are launching an Udo 19 training 4-part series intended for computer science students, IT students, and information science students in a university. Our main objectives in this series are as follows. We'd like to introduce what Udo is to the students. We'd like to give them necessary background for Udo installation and administration using the community edition, which we can download from GitHub, and we'd like to introduce basic Udo apps, especially installation. And eventually, we would like to train students for active Udo development using the community edition. In this series, we are going to do the following. I will introduce the preliminaries like installation of Python 3.12. By the way, we will be using Ubuntu 22, the recommended version for Udo 19 Community Edition. We'll be installing PostgreSQL and pgadmin 4. And of course, we'll be using VS Code for our development later. We may not be using it in this series, but we will use it in the development part. Eventually, we'll also be connecting our VS Code to our GitHub Copilot for Education so that we'll be able to do vibe coding while we are developing apps in Udo Community Edition. An important part in the series is how to download and install the community edition from the GitHub repository. We will install it, create a virtual environment, and run the Udo server. Then we will configure Udo by configuring the company properties and setting the currency sign, especially to peso, Philippine peso. We will configure the outgoing mail server and admin email server required by Udo 19 for you to send emails to your different contacts. Emails involving purchase orders, warehouse receipts, and sales orders to your customers, and all sorts of the emails. And then we will install basic apps. We will install contact, inventory, purchasing, and sales. We will download a free community edition accounting app, and we will also install it. And a special feature of this series is installing the Mac theme. The Mac theme is a Udo theme which will make our community edition look more attractive, like it's similar to the Enterprise edition. Before our main topic, the start of our main topic, I'd like to introduce you to what Udo is. What is Udo? It is an open source suite business application intended for ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning. It includes CRM, e-commerce, accounting, inventory, HR, and manufacturing. And there's a mountain of third-party Udo apps which you can download or even purchase from the web. Udo started as a tiny ERP in Belgium in 2002 by Fabian Pincayers. And then Tiny ERP gained traction on small and medium businesses 3 years after in 2005. And by 2009, they rebranded, extending it to a bigger market and named it as Open ERP. In 2014, okay, they officially renamed it to Udo with over 30 core applications in modular architecture. Up to the present, the community edition or the open source version is available, and the enterprise edition, which is paid without limits for applications, in the Udo website. There's also Udo SH, which is the hosted version of the enterprise edition. What is the community edition? The Udo Community Edition is the free open source version of Udo designed for small to medium businesses or developers who want full control over the ERP system. One of its main advantages is it's configurable. In fact, it can also be used to develop customized applications over the web. It can also be hosted on-premise and can be easily managed. Now, we are using the community edition in this training because we intend this to be used by students who we see to be able to actively do Udo development using Python. Okay. What are the key features of this edition? Okay. It has modular architecture. No? It has you can develop applications by modules. It has integrated platforms. You can use the free apps. It's user friendly. Uh, the dashboards and the automated workflows makes it easy for the user to navigate the Odoo environment. It can be customized and be deployed on-premise or even hosted by a third-party host. And it has global reach because it has multi-language, multi-currency, and multi-company support. In my case, I have developed an application which is a hotel management guest reservation collection system. What is the technology behind Odoo? Odoo is primarily written in Python, making it extensively and easy to use. Developers use Python to create business logic and automation and custom modules. And I know very well that Python is a favorite of many computer science and information technology students. In the back end, Odoo uses the fully free and the dependable PostgreSQL. So we will also be installing PostgreSQL in the community together with the community edition. Why businesses choose Odoo? It's cost effective, especially the community edition, which is free. The enterprise edition subscription is affordable also. It's scalable, whether it's community edition, enterprise edition, or SH edition. It's scalable and customizable. That's why it's considered flexible, and it has an extensive community. There are hundreds of thousands presently of developers and partners, and there are a mountain of a collection of YouTube videos which you can use to do training in whichever part of Odoo, whether using a particular app or developing a special application for a client or for your own business. It's a one-stop toolkit business. It has an ERP. In fact, many extensions in other platforms have also migrated to Odoo. Like for example, the popular WooCommerce, which is also available, of course, for a fee in the Odoo Enterprise Edition. So that's about it for this introduction, and I'm excited to get started. See you in the next video, and bye for now.